Okay there, hello, Fatty here from Pack a Punch Traders with a midday video lesson. This one with a little bit of regret. I did miss Gmvd. It was right out of my watch list here. Where are we at? Wrote to green move or previous high daybreak over 322 to test the high threes. Absolutely perfect play right here in the morning. Missed that. And then when it was creeping up here, I saw just the weak volume, kind of got discouraged, saw some perking here, thought I would be emotionally buying because I missed this first run up. And let me get the daily chart real quick. So I was looking for a break over these highs here. Beforehand, I was looking for a break of the 270s to test the low threes, but now we're looking for the low threes to test these high threes, 4-ish area. We even got some here in 430s, 420s, right where it got to. Low float, as you can see, rotating the volume or rotating the float. 8.6 million, 12 million volume. This is still holding a VWAP. We'll see what happens. But I totally missed this in the morning, and then didn't want to emotionally trade it, and we get this beautiful rip here. Fail to recognize it. These higher lows failing to break down. Still holding the previous high at daybreak. It was just the weaker volume that kind of got me, and the market conditions. Just not everything's going up like last year, the beginning of last year. So yeah, I was focused a lot more on Dwac. Held it overnight, added a little bit in the high 69s. Right now it's just chopping around, trying not to look at it. Past few days it's been doing the same thing, just being choppy, going between a range, and then it ends up just holding trend and heading higher. So I'm really trying to be patient. I think we'll get a test of 80. It's still just creeping slowly. And the volume today, 8 million, already half or over half of what it did yesterday. So just really need this to keep holding. I really need this to work out because I took a stupid loss on picks yesterday, overnight actually. I mentioned I got this stop here late day, took a little loss, and then after hours took it as it reclaimed the close price and got a nice little perk and just faded from there. And this morning tried to give it a little shot right at the open, but the minute after it just tanked. So that was just a stupid $200 loss. That was pointless. But this is still generally holding up. We'll see if we get something today or tomorrow. But this kind of ruined it because now I'm really depending on Dwac for a nice move. Or else I'll just take my first red day of the year. Not bad. It happens. But was really thinking we'll get a solid move out of this. A little disappointing that we're getting stuff right now at 75. Ideally just keeps holding up, doesn't threaten to stop me out down here. And yeah, just heads higher, touches 80, I get out. But right now I need to stop looking at this because it's just stressing me out. I can't stand the choppiness. And then I turn over and I see the thing that I missed here. Beautiful play. Could have been an easy 300, 400 plus. Getting into 340s, 350s here. Yeah, it could have been beautiful. 1,000 shares. Risking 5, 10 cents. And you get a beautiful 50, 60 cent spike. And even a little bit more than that. I probably would have been out somewhere in here. But now it looks like we're holding up and we're going to threaten these highs. Maybe go even higher. But just wanted a quick recap of this morning. Crappy loss on pick. Was focusing too much on Dwac, which led me to miss Gmvd. And right now I'm still green on this. My average I believe is 69.89. Came up a little bit, but we'll see what happens. I cannot stand choppiness. I'm so used to plays that do something like this. Within a matter of 5, 10, 15 minutes, I'm getting my quick 10, 15%. Dwac, different beast, so gotta adapt to that. But before I make this thing go much longer than 5 minutes, what's the lesson? I don't really see a lesson. It was just kind of a chaotic morning. The lesson, don't take risky. Sorry, yeah, definitely is a lesson. Don't take risky overnight trades. This one I knew was risky. I was just thinking we would get a short squeeze, a gap up or something. Just failed to happen, and that was just an emotional play because I was annoyed about this loss and then it coming back still holding up. So I thought I just got faked out and we're gonna end up gapping up. That didn't work out, and I wake up to a stupid loss. And then this one, got a lesson with the volume. Really follow the trend. I was really in my head faking myself out, just scaring myself, imagining a fake out here, a little perk, and then just a crap on it. But volume ended up coming through. It was holding up, holding trend nicely. So that was my fault. Everything was pointing to another leg up. It just needed the volume to come in. Could have gotten in chase a little bit, 360s, maybe 370 when you could see the volume coming in. But that one's just rough because I totally missed the first play here and then just did not really recognize or see the second play. Just emotional. So yeah, that's that. I'll make another video lesson later on. We'll see how Dwac turns out, and hopefully we get another play later on that could replace Dwac if it tanks on me. So yeah, there's that.